this is a person whom you would love to meet. She is the managing director of KEMS Technologies, which was earlier known as Christopia Energy Systems Private Limited, a very leading company which is into the in the chiller business. And personally, she's an inspiration to many of us. And I'll tell you why. There's a reason for that. This HVAC&R industry is dominated, completely dominated, right? And she's one lone MD who's very ambitious and out there to make things happen. Okay, so she's quite an inspiration for a lot of us, and she's a perfect example for a Make in India. So a lot of credit goes to Miss Shama Jain, and runs one of the oldest chiller manufacturing companies headquartered out of Indore. And thank you, Shama, for joining us. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me, Ajitji. I mean, it is an honor to be on this show with you. Really, it is. So I'll just give a small introduction about KEHIMS. KEHIMS was founded by my father, Mr. Deepak Kemkar, in 1986. And we are actually manufacturing screw and scroll chillers and screw and scroll heat pumps in Indore, and have been supplying throughout India as well as exporting out of the country. Over to you, Ajitji.
Great. You already know that you're a big brand already. With most of us who have been in the business for a very long time already know your company and the way you have evolved, and you're truly a pride within the industry when it comes to the Make in India. Everybody for the PMO keeps saying Make in India, but you are the true example of that. So Shama, you've been
like local to vocal, right? And local to global, right?
You're at the right place. You're doing the right thing. You're the flavor of the year now in this country. That's how it is. So
absolutely.
So Shama, you've been using. You've been in the business for a long time, and you've been actually using the Pure Blue platform maybe now for about close to two years. Tell us a little about it. Yes. How has it helped you transform the business?
Okay, so with us in KEHIMS, we have many departments, and service department being a key to KEHIMS's progress, basically because we know and we note that sales and service are two parts of the coins, okay? So here in service department, we have about 140 people who are with us in KEHIMS, and about 53 service engineers who are on the field all the time. So service tracking used to be a strangling job for us, basically. Why? Because even if we had employed 10 different coordinators for each branch, we would still struggle to assign service engineers to that specific job, and to know whether that service engineer has actually made justice to that job or not, or whether he has reached on time or not. But with me coming in contact with Ajitji and Ajitji introducing Pure Blue to us, it was a game changer for us. Specifically, why I would like to add on a few sentences to it, that Pure Blue is a very systematic application. It is very easy to use and very handy. So once the service engineers are assigned to any jobs, it is very easy to track them, that whether they have gone and done that job. We also get a lot of feedback from our customers that yes, the job has been done properly. We also can track whether the spare parts have reached the site and whether those spare parts have been put on the machines or not. In fact, we through Pure Blue actually have also been able to get the old parts which were taken out of the machine back to Indore to see why they went back, and the analysis has been done. So all these things could only be possible because of the right tracking of the manpower, of the good, and of that complaint. And that is why the whole service department could come into say one platform and work together. So it is a perfect example of how servicing can be handled sitting at home or sitting at office, and how we can track all the service engineers who are performing all over the country. So for example, with KEHIMS, we have about 9 locations where our service engineers are placed. And tracking all these 9 locations used to be quite cumbersome earlier, because from these 9 locations, these service engineers are transferred to another interior locations. So whether that engineer has attended that complaint, whether the customer is happy with us or not, always used to be a question mark. So it is not possible for us as the owners of the company to call every single complaint and ask them, sir, are you satisfied with with our services? But through Pure Blue, all the things have got easier, and we have been able to track and satisfy our customers to a different level. So thank you, Ajit ji.
Awesome, Shama. Thank you so much for that sharing. It's very thankful that you come out to tell us your story on this front. But Shama, I have one more question. Now, you're one of from a large manufacturer's perspective. What do you see the role of technology in the services business for HVACR?
So technology stands a different role altogether. I must tell everybody that without technology now, it is not possible for us to manage our services to the expectation level which the client has in his mind now. So we are talking about expectation levels like servicing with the cloud, servicing with the GSM, servicing with this and servicing with that. So if we are not using a proper technology, and if we are still sticking to our Excel sheets and managing through Excel sheets, nothing is going to be possible. Like in your presentation, you gave an example of replacing the machine while you were getting a lot of complaints on that specific customer. So this is an example of retrofit market. So through your technology, you could actually grab a retrofit market which maybe could not have come under your eyes or in front of your eyes if you were just maintaining an Excel sheet, right? So technology definitely has an extremely important role, and I must urge all the people who are on this series right now that we must upgrade ourselves, and we must take ourselves to that platform where the customer really wants us to see. Today's customer is extremely intelligent, and he is not going to compromise with anything less than what he is actually getting in the market. So if you are providing him anything inferior, he will have his own ideas. He will have his own ideas about the brand. And whenever you are giving him anything inferior to your competition, just remember that it is your brand image which is getting challenged. So if you want to keep your brand image on that platform, if you want to make your brand image come to a different level of the platform, you have to make use of technology and you have to upgrade yourself.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Shama. You're one
Thank
of the
you so much.
you are one of the fastest growing companies here in India. You, as you justly said, local and vocal. That's it. This is your time, and we're going to see
Yes.
some great action coming from your company. Thank you so much for coming online and sharing your thoughts.
Thank you. Your blessings will always be required. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Shama. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.